Give me 2 days and I'll show you exactly how to become the most powerful and confident person in your entire city, not just your company. And I'm going to show you how to double your confidence and double your income in the next 12 months.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference, you know.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking, and here's what I got. I'm doing a special conference called the Confident Speaker Conference, which is the #1 most practical public speaking course for subject matter experts. It's for 2 full days with me personally, where I not only show you the step-by-step techniques of how to become a great speaker, not only I show you step-by-step formulas to master your communication, not only I show you step-by-step exactly how to have the right mindset and the skill set to engage the audience and make a powerful, impactful presentation. Not only that, but I also coach you on the stage because it's practical. I'm going to coach you, going to be giving speech on the stage after I teach you. Then I'm going to be coming to the stage, I'm going to be coaching you. I'm going to be showing you how to tweak, how to improve, and how to optimize your presentation, your confidence, because you need a world-class feedback, not only just some theory. No. You want feedback, you want practical expertise from an expert, from a mentor. So I've been doing it for so many years right now. Thousands and thousands of people just like you have overcome their stage fear. They have become confident speakers. In fact, many times people had that challenge that they knew what to say, but sometimes they did not have the right words at the right time to express themselves. Sometimes they they had all the knowledge, but they did not know how to connect with the audience. Or sometimes even if they knew a lot and they had 15, 16, 18 years of work experience, they had that stage fear, the anxiety that stopped them from giving their best presentation. So if you're facing any of these challenges, and if you want to grow your confidence level, if you want to grow your presentation skill, if you want to grow your communication skills and take your life to the next level, I encourage you to come to this conference where I'm going to show you exactly how to become a confident speaker. So for that, you can click the link below and you can get more information, exactly the dates, the venue, the fee structure, everything is going to be clear to you. And if you qualify, because this is not for everybody, but if you qualify, I want to see you at the Confident Speaker Conference. But before I go again, I want to remind you, click the link below to know more about the Confident Speaker Conference. Now hear from some other people who have been to this program before. Click the link below to know more about the conference. Give me 2 days and I'll make you a super duper confident speaker.
Hi, I'm Sumant here. I'm a chartered accountant. I'm into practice from last 5 years. This is the 6th year of practice for me. My 2 biggest challenges were, like, I know I'm good, but at the same time I know I can be better. And I wanted somebody who can get this better version of me, best version of me. And I know it's a process. I wanted somebody to handhold me and unlock that potential in me. Right. 2 of my biggest learning in this conference, one is it's okay to be imperfect. You need not be perfect, right? You gotta take actions, right? Even if you're imperfect, take the imperfect actions. You will reach way far ahead than somebody who is trying to perfect himself and then take the action.
Speak on spontaneously on some topic, and that topic I rocked really. And I put my entire energy, and even Bishal said, yeah, you transformed very well within 2 days, and I feel really happy about this.
It seems actually it is magically, and actually it's totally different. Looks like I've been a natural in the presentations that are given in this episode. I've been able to connect well, so I've been applying all those principles. I definitely see a lot of improvement in myself.
I think that's going to take me a long way, and I'll be able to achieve what I thought I'm going to achieve.
Definitely recommend. So if a person like me who actually has a lot of anxiety, and if he had the stage fear, if a person like me come on the stage and talk to, so last time it was 12 people, 13 people, now it's 40 people. So if I can talk to an audience of 40 people confidently, any of my friends who have the stage fear can come here and benefit from the techniques of Bishal Sarkar, and they will be greatly benefited.
I recommend this course to all of you. There are many people like me, like who knows their potential, but just knowing the potential is not enough. The knower in you and the doer in you is different. To bring out the doer in you, attend a course like this, have a mentor like him, and I'm sure he will unlock the doer in you and get the right things out of you.
Being here with Vishal and his team was one of the best experiences of my life. This has been a transformational kind of a experience for me. What I was 2 days earlier, what I am now, is something of a big difference. I can see it myself. This is all because of this team, this man, and you all guys. It has been wonderful. Now I have more confidence in me. Now I can speak better. Now I can structure better. And I look forward to be with you guys again. Thank you very much for a wonderful 2 days program. Thank you.
I think the way Vishal puts this to you, right? So it's not that, it's the knowledge that he has gained with books, right? It's something which he has got with experience. And we all know when somebody talks out of experience, it makes a lot of impact, right? So it's not just the words which he has learned and in the videos which he has seen. He has experienced every bit of it, and every knowledge that we are gaining from him is through his experience. I think that creates a larger impact on you, and it really makes you feel transformed.
This is what happens when you have a great community, an amazing family. We had so many people from so many different places. We had somebody from outside India coming in as well because of one thing. These people are hungry, they are driven, they want to improve. So